So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the reverse lights with some really bright lights that we have on a 2016 or 17 Honda Accord. It should be the same for 2013 to 2017. So we're going to be using these T15 bulbs right here. So what you need to do is take off these little clips right here. So you only have to take off this one clip on this side. And same thing you're gonna do on the other side. You don't have to take off all the clips. Oh, this one's already missing. So those are the two clips that you have to take off to do this install. Which one was missing on your guys? You should have one on each side. So it looks like the reverse bulb is gonna be this top one. This other one should be the plug for the factory LEDs. So we're gonna go ahead and twist this counterclockwise like you're unscrewing something. Pull this bulb out. And then for the new bulb, you just push it in. And then to put it back in, you just push it, twist it clockwise to lock it in place, put this back, and put this little clip back in there. Don't have it pushed in all the way or this piece is gonna be too wide to fit back in. So you push it in there and push it in place. In this case, I'm just gonna leave it hanging down for now so that you guys could see that it works. If you guys are not using canvas bulbs like these, you guys wanna make sure you check your work for sure. Because the polarity on LEDs do matter which way they're faced. For example, if you have the bulb placed this way and it doesn't turn on, you just gotta unplug it, flip it around, so positive and negative will be reversed. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on this other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this out, make sure it works before we put the clip back in place and close the trunk up. Make sure you guys don't leave anything right here. You don't wanna try closing your trunk and having tools or anything there. Or just put it there because I'm working in this area. Alright, so you guys see both sides turn on. In your case, if you're not using these bulbs, I'll put the link for these in the description, but if you're not using this type of bulb, just take it out, flip it around so positive and negative are reversed. If you're doing this install by yourself, you could put your key on ACC, just put your parking brake on and put the car in reverse and the lights will turn on for the reverse lights. So hopefully this video helps you guys out how to do the install on the reverse lights for 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord. For the sedan model, the coupe might be a little bit different.